If you're considering ways to increase the value of your Houston home, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is window replacement. The importance of having well-maintained, energy-efficient windows cannot be overstated, especially in the Houston area, where extreme weather conditions are common. Whether you're looking to sell soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more comfortable home, replacing your windows can significantly enhance both the aesthetic and functional value of your property. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the appearance of your windows plays a crucial role in your home's curb appeal. Older, worn-out windows can make a home look outdated, and in some cases, they may even detract from its charm. New, modern windows, on the other hand, instantly give your home a fresh, updated look. There's a wide variety of window styles and materials available that can complement any architectural design, making it easier to match the new windows with your home's exterior. Moreover, replacing your windows with energy-efficient options such as double-glazed or low-E windows can make your home appear more modern and eco-conscious, something that increasingly appeals to today's homebuyers. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Houston's climate can be harsh, with sweltering summers and unpredictable weather changes. If your windows are old or improperly sealed, you could be losing a significant amount of heating and cooling through air leaks and poor insulation. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also leads to higher energy bills. Window replacement is a smart investment for long-term savings. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can result in lower energy costs. Plus, many newer windows come with features like UV protection that helps keep your home cooler by blocking harmful rays, which is especially useful during Houston's hot summer months. Increased home security. Old windows may have weak seals or hardware, making them easier for intruders to break into your home. Replacing your windows gives you the opportunity to choose more secure options, such as double locking mechanisms or impact-resistant glass. These upgrades not only improve the security of your home but also increase the peace of mind for any potential buyers, making your home a more attractive option when it comes time to sell. Noise reduction. Houston is a bustling, dynamic city, and depending on where your home is located, noise from traffic or nearby construction can be disruptive. If you live in a noisy area, replacing your windows with soundproof or noise-reducing models can make a huge difference. High-quality windows with insulated glass can help buffer exterior noises, creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Return on investment, ROI. When you decide to sell your home, window replacement can yield a high return on investment. According to industry reports, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of the cost of their new windows in the form of increased property value. Not only will new windows make your home more appealing to buyers, but they also offer peace of mind that the home is well maintained and energy efficient, both of which are key factors that influence a buyer's decision. Conclusion. Window replacement may seem like a small detail in the grand scheme of home improvements, but its benefits are far-reaching. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and noise reduction, new windows can make your Houston home more comfortable and valuable. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your living space, investing in quality windows is a step toward increasing your home's overall worth and enjoyment.